how are you doing? Hopefully you're doing good. Just wanted to bring you this new tune fork. It's called Degen Finance, and this is by a person called Tim Malcolm, and he is a TV personality. He says that he does a lot of his shows on TLC, which is a cable news channel, which I have seen TLC. I haven't seen any of his shows, but I do know him from YouTube, and he talks about a lot of degen projects or mostly tube forks. I've seen him like make videos about, and that's where I found out about him. So his name is Tim Malcolm. He's just like a regular guy, and he likes to talk about tune forks, and he says how he really likes tune forks and he really likes Phantom. So he built his on Phantom Network. And so let's look at the actual tune fork here. It's called Degen Finance, and currently this is a public genesis, ends in 15 hours. So I wanted to bring this to you because it's unique, and if you wanted to get in early, you could do that. They're still doing the Genesis for the public. There's 16 million total value locked, and it is pegged to Tomb. Tomb is currently 155. The Degen token is a little over peg, so this can drop. You can buy this for $12, and then it can drop to $6 or even $1, and you'll have a loss. But if this goes up, obviously you'll have a gain. But usually these eventually go down. So just be careful about that. And also this one does too. Sometimes they'll stay steady for a while, and that's when you can be in them making the high APY. But once they start going down, you might want to pull it out, pull your money out and wait on the sidelines until it stabilizes again. That doesn't always happen, but from my experience, it usually does. These are the yield farming tokens, which usually have the high APY. So they have the Degen with the Tomb, and here they have the D share with the USDC, which that is kind of interesting. USDC, this is a stable coin. So half, when you have to put these two together, this one might go down or it might go up. But, and also when it goes up, you might want to pull your money out and take profits. But when this one goes, this one won't. The other half of your the other half of your liquidity pool token will not change because it's a stable coin. It'll pretty much stay the same. So that's pretty interesting. And I just wanted to bring it to you because it's a new project. It says right here, do your own research before investing. You can look at the charts here to see the prices. We can look at this if you want. This is the Degen, the one that's pegged to Tomb, and it looks like they had some weird action. Usually goes up to a crazy level, and then it comes crashing down. And then, it looks like it's been a little stable here. I don't know how long. Today is the 23rd, so maybe since yesterday, it's kind of been stable, maybe. Let's see, 232, and now it's 18, so maybe not that stable. Because if you had it at $200 and now it's $18, you're hoping it's going to go back up. Or you're hoping you've sold it before it went all the way down here. So anyway, that's the risk, that you could either gain money or lose money, but that's just how, the markets work. But anyway, I thought this was an interesting one that you might be interested in getting into or doing research on Tim Malcolm. He does have videos about it. And he does say that one of the problems with the tune forks is they lose the peg. And he does say that he has some measures in place to try to help that, so to help it be more sustainable. So if that is something you're interested in, you might want to check this project out. And also on the Degen Finance, you can probably get to their social media here. They have Twitter and Discord. And here's their Twitter. And it talks about their giveaways and their prizes. So if you want to join all that, you can do that. If you this, I just wanted to bring this project because it's early, and if you're interested in getting invested in this, you can do it. Um, just do your own research. It says devs were KYC'd and team is doxed. That's kind of unique to, he's doxed obviously because he's on TV, so you know who's behind it. And so if you like this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.